Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. I've got this Porsche 993. Done a lot of work on this car here, and we were waiting on the starter motor. Finally got the starter motor here. The problem was intermittent, so you might have 10 starts and then it doesn't start at all. Then you gotta wait about 30 seconds and then starts. So the whole engine's back together. All the parts have been removed before. Full reseal is all back together now. If you can see underneath here, there's no leak. Before you can start the car, be driving, there's just oil everywhere. See this from before. We're gonna clean all that before. We're gonna clean all the under trays before we put it back on. So as you can see, the main oil leak was coming from here, and the rear main. So everything's done. Starter motor's here, just up there. That's the brand new one we put in. There, brand new one there. Alright. Alright, so this is all good. So now we're gonna put everything back, all the covers and the trays back on the car. We're cleaning it up now, and then we can actually take it for road test, extended road test to make sure everything's fine, and then we'll go from there. Alright, customer will come pick it up early next week. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.